angle is negative. Right. That's why cos of 30 degrees is the plus root 3 by 2. Cos of minus 45 also plus 1 by root 2. And here is 1 by 2. And here is 0 never have the. So signs. Therefore, all values of cos is minus 90 to plus 90 repeated values only. But sine is non-repeated, including sine observation. Sine values are not included. Sine values are not included, but not so repeated. But class values are repeated because of downside angle is the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is the cos is positive. This point is clear, everyone. All values of minus 90 to plus 90, cos values are repeated, sine values are not repeated. Difference of the signs. Okay, na? Tan values, you can see tan means sine by cos. Minus 1 by 0 is the minus infinity, minus root 3, minus 1, and minus 1 by root 3, and 0 by 1 is 0, and here is the 1 by root 3, here is the 1, here is the root 3, any number by 0 is a plus infinity. So here all values are not repeated, including by the observation of sign. Okay, now, but cos values are repeated. Only one is failed in this one. Only cos values are repeated, but sine and tan values are not repeated. This point is clear, everyone. And next, we have to observe. Okay. Now, CMR, Lalit Kumar, now Varun, you can see. Now, not striking now. So the small internet problem is keeping striking, but I will send a video now that once again you can see. Okay, na? All right. Everyone, this point is clear, everyone. Now, inverse trigonometry, yesterday I will tell. So don't write. So F is a mapping from A to B. Its inverse trigonometry function is F inverse is equal to A is the domain, it is a codomain. Okay, na? Codomain. F inverse is equal to codomain to domain. So reverse order function is the F inverse. So sine inverse is represented by sine inverse of. Sir, what we can write? Sine inverse value we can write as sine inverse angle. Sine of, so domain, sine of domain, and sine of domain and codomain. Sine domain is the angle, sine domain is the angle, codomain is the values. Here is the reverse. Sine inverse of values. Sine inverse of values. Sine should be followed by the angle. Sine inverse always followed by the values, range values. Okay, na? Codomain values. Okay, na? Sine inverse always followed by range of the values. So not by the angle, but sine should be followed by the angles. Sine should be followed by the angle. Sine inverse is always followed by the range value. What is the sine range? Is the minus 1 to plus 1. Cos range is the minus 1 to plus 1. Tan range is the minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, na? This sine inverse, don't write, sir, A inverse is there, na, sir. I will write A whole inverse, sir, no wrong, na. But in real numbers, trigonometry, don't write sine x of whole inverse. Sine x of whole inverse, don't write that point. You should be remember, this is the most important note point, everyone. Only sine inverse is the reciprocal 1 by sine. But sine x whole inverse, not a value is not a inverse. This value is not inverse, only trigonometry is the inverse function. Only trigonometry is the inverse function. Okay, na? Right. So here is, so always angle, now see, everyone observe. So here I will write one day, always note point should be, remember, everyone. So inverse trigonometric functions is represented by sine inverse x and cos inverse x and tan inverse x. So inverse for only trigonometry function, not for value. So sine inverse, cosecant inverse x, sec inverse x and cot inverse x. Okay, na? Cot is x belongs to real number. X is always belongs to real numbers, not the angles. So sine theta. So the sine is always followed by the angle. Cos theta and tan theta. So always followed by the angles. Okay, na? So always followed by the angle. Cosec theta and sec theta and cot theta. So always angles. These are the theta is equal to angle. But here is the x is equal to real number. X must be real number. X must be real number. Here is the sine inverse x mean. Sine inverse always follow the on sine inverse always follow the so real numbers -1 to +1. So range is C -1 to +1. So x belongs to in sine -1 to +1. In cos, what is the value we can observe? In cos, what is the value we can observe? In tan, what value is the -infinity to +infinity is the values -infinity to +infinity. Okay, na? Right. Now I will next note point 2 is sine inverse x. Don't write sine x of whole inverse, not a sine inverse of whole inverse. Here is, so everyone observe, third point is sine inverse x mean we write 1 by sine of x. 1 by sine of x. That is the meaning. Okay, na? Only 1 by sine of x. So 1 by sine, only sine is the reciprocal. X never be reciprocal. X never be reciprocal. Okay, na? Right. I go through the. So today we have to discuss the. Today we have to discuss the. What is the important point we discuss? Now we enter into the. So everyone already noted values now. So sine range is -1 to 1. Tan range is C. Everyone observe sine inverse domain. So trigonometric function domain and a range domain and a range. Everyone observe trigonometric function and domain and range. Trigonometric function is the sine inverse x. What is the domain? The reverse order domain will become as a values codomain. Reverse order, here is the domain is what is the -1 to 1 reverse order. So but sine is angle should be right. Cos is the -1 to +1. Range is -90 to +90. No value is repeated. No value is repeated. No value is repeated. Okay, na? But cos inverse is domain is a reverse order. Range will become as a domain. So, but what is the cos values not repeated? 0 to pi cos values are not repeated. But -90 to 90, 0 to 90, 0 to -90 values are repeated. But 0 to 180, no value is repeated. You should be right and we can observe. Next, reverse order, tan inverse observe. Tan inverse is, what is the value? See the -90 to +90 open interval. We can't take the infinite. So what is the, here is the reverse order. What is the reverse order of the tan inverse? All the real numbers we can get. All the real numbers we can get. These three are sufficient for us for doing the problems, but others also I will write anytime objective question they will ask for one more question in PU or KSET or in JE, any chance is there. That's why I will write cosec inverse x. Cosec inverse x. Cosec inverse x is the same values, same value. So minus 90 to plus 90, but 0 is not defined. Why means sine 0 is the 0, cosec 0 is the reverse order. Here is minus 90 to plus 90. 0 is not defined. 0 is not defined. Cancel the 0. Cancel the 0. Here is minus 1 to plus 1 cosecant or minus of minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 never get. Okay, na? Minus 1 to plus 1 we should never be getting this value. Right. Sec inverse x same amount or minus of minus 1 to plus 1. We never get these values, but in between 0 should we get. So next one is 0 to pi, 0 to pi. In that one, 90 degrees is undefined in sec inverse x. 90 should be cancelled. Last one, cot inverse x. Cot inverse x. So this is all the real numbers, but here is 0 to pi open interval. So these values must be read. By the observation, what we have to understand, by the observation of these values, it should be defined only first quadrant and second quadrant. So note point is, so say inverse trigonometry never be defined in third quadrant and fourth quadrant. It is defined in only first quadrant and second quadrant. Everyone observe here, note point is all the, so here is the minus 90 and minus 90 means first quadrant is defining. So all inverse trigonometry and second quadrant also defining. So third quadrant and fourth quadrant never be defined. So therefore, all the trigonometric terms should be defined in first quadrant and second quadrant only. First quadrant and second quadrant, not defined in third quadrant, not defined in the fourth quadrant. All inverse trigonometric functions, all inverse trigonometric function defined in first quadrant and second quadrant. First quadrant and second quadrant, not defined in third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Not defined in third quadrant and fourth quadrant. First quadrant and second quadrant, not defined in the third quadrant, not defined in the fourth quadrant. This point is clear, everyone? This is the sufficient for us for doing the first exercise. Okay, now after completing the first exercise, I go, what are the theorems is there? The theorems is the some is the important, some not important, but all theorem, what is the important theorems I will tell, what is the non-important, just you have to see and give it. Okay, now that I will send, okay, now right. Everyone see, basing these concept, I am going to work out the exercise problems, basing these concepts only. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see, come to the exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1, inverse trigonometry function. Exercise 2.1. Find the principal value means least angle. Principal means least angle, not greatest angle, least angle. Yes, I will send recorded video. Least value, everyone observe least value. Least value, principal value means least Now we define in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth, but we should be take only least angle in the first quadrant. Okay, na? Right. Find the principal value. Find principal value. Principal value already. Principal value already we see in the trigonometric equation. Trigonometric equation first year. We have to discuss the principal values. Okay, na? Find the principal values of the following. Of the following. Of the following. Find the principal value of the following. Sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, we can remember, but so remaining is the same, is repeating. So one time we can observe is easy for remembering. What is the sine? Is the same for tan inverse, is same for cosec inverse. Okay, now what is the cos inverse? Is the same for sec and same for cot. Okay, na? Same for with open bracket or closed bracket, we can be observed. Okay, na? One time observe me sine inverse, tan inverse, and sec cosecant inverse, same angles. Okay, na? So, but cos inverse and sec inverse and cot inverse, same angles with closed bracket or open bracket. That's only that you should be remembered. Okay, na? Right. But sine inverse trigonometry define only first quadrant and second quadrant, not defining the third quadrant, not defining the fourth quadrant. This point is clear now? Right. Everyone observe. First problem, CM. What is the first problem? Is sine inverse of minus 1/2. This is principal value is required. Everyone observe. I am doing the solution. So let this value is equal to sine inverse of minus 1/2 is equal to x. Let it be as a x. Sine inverse we can write as a 1 by sine, cross multiplication. Sine inverse we can sine inverse we can write 1 by sine, 1 by sine, cross multiplication. So only sine inverse is a 1 by sine minus 1/2 is equal to x, cross multiplication minus 1/2 is equal to sine x. Okay, minus 1/2 is equal to sine x. We know that what is the range? We know that sine inverse range of sine inverse x, sine inverse range of everyone observe range of, it is clear now, range of sine inverse is see on the board. What is the range of sine inverse? Minus 92 plus 90. We should be take the angle in the minus 92 plus 90 only. Now see, Amma, Rani, now see. Now it is clear. Rani, now it is clear. Right. Up and down is there. Network is the up and down is there. So up and down, that's why one time it will come, immediately it will go. Okay, na? Right, see the sine inverse range is minus 90 to plus 90. That's why we should take negative angle and positive angle. Okay, na? This is minus 1/2 is the first 1/2 is the, what is the 1/2 value is the sine 30 degrees minus 30 degrees. Sine of minus 30 is the minus sine 30 degrees. This I am going to represent. So what I am going to represent? So minus 1/2 is the sine of minus 30 degrees. Sine of minus 30 degrees. Sine of minus 30 degrees is equal to minus sine 30 degree minus r. Minus 30 degrees minus r is equal to sine x. Sine is cancelled. X means principal value is equal to minus pi by 6. Now write down. Therefore, principal value is minus pi by 6. Therefore, principal value is minus pi by 6. Okay, na? Present it should be exercise completed means okay. Not completed means theorems video I will send separate. Okay, na? So clear, everyone. So principal value, let it be as a x, sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Only sine inverse means 1 by sine minus 1 by 2 cross multiplication. Minus 1 by 2 is equal to sine x. Sine of minus 30 degrees is the minus 1 by 2. Therefore, my 1 by 2 is the 30 degrees in sine. Minus 1 by 2 means minus 30 degrees. Therefore, our first write down, we know that range of sine inverse is either negative or positive. Okay, na? Either negative or positive. So that's why I am going to write sine minus 1 by 2 means minus 30 degrees. Negative angle in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sine is a negative. Minus 30 sine cancel. X is equal to minus 30 degrees. So therefore X is the principal value. Principal value is minus pi by 6. Okay, na? So angle must be minus 90 to plus 90. Minus 90 to plus 90. Okay, na? In between minus 90 to plus 90. So first for understanding, we know that you should be write down in examination also. Okay, na? Right. I will do the second problem. Everyone observe. I will do the second problem. Find the principal value of everyone observe second problem. Find the principal value of second problem is cos inverse of root 3 by 2. Cos values must be like speed. What is the range of cos is? 0 to pi. That should be write down in examination. Now see the solution is, let principal value is the x, cos inverse of root 3 by 2 is equal to x. Cos inverse means 1 by cos of root 3 by 2 is equal to x. Cross multiplication, root 3 by 2 is equal to cos x. Root 3 by 2 is equal to cos x. At what value is the root 3 by 2 mean? Cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees is the first write down what is the range. We know that the range of cos inverse, range of cos inverse is closed bracket 0 to pi. So 0 to pi, any value it can be taken. So here is we're not understanding, Amma. Rani, we're not understanding till. I will write little bit big letters. Everyone see where, Rani, where we are not understanding. Once again, you can see, let cos inverse. So where we are not understanding means not good message means what can I do? Tell me. So once again, I am explaining, you can see cos inverse of root 3 by 2. Okay, na? Cos inverse of root 3 by 2 is equal to x. Inverse means 1 by cos. Inverse means 1 by cos. So root 3 by 2 is equal to x. Cross multiplication. Root 3 by 2 is equal to x. What we know that, what is the range of cos E? What is the range of cos E? 0 to pi. What is the range of cos E? 0 to pi. Okay, na? Range of cos E 0 to pi. Okay, na? Clear? So range of cos inverse is 0 to pi. I will write. So take the cos angles. You can tell me what is the root 3 by 2 at what angle is the cos? Tell me. So root 3 by 2 what angle is the 30 degrees? Cos 30 is the root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 place I will write cos 30 degrees is equal to cos x. Now cos should be cancelled. X is equal to 30 degrees is the principal value. Okay, now okay. I will continue means you can understand. One by one I will continue means you understand. Now see. Third problem we can see. Everyone observe the third problem. Everyone observe the third problem. Third problem is cosecant inverse of 2 is now third problem is the cosecant inverse of 2. This let it be as a cosec inverse, let it be as a solution is C. So let cosecant inverse of 2 is equal to x. This A inverse means how can you write 1 by A? A inverse is the 1 by A. Okay, na? A inverse is the 1 by A. Cosecant inverse means 1 by cosecant of 2 is equal to x. Is it clear? 2 is equal to cross multiplication cosecant x. 2 is equal to cosecant x. Okay, na? What is the cosecant x mean? 2 by 1 is equal to 1 by sine x. Now tell me, what is the sine x value in? Sine cross multiplication, reverse order right now. Sine x is equal to 1 by 2. Sine x is equal to 1 by 2. Is it clear? Sine x is equal to 1 by 2. Now write down. We know that the range of sine inverse is, what is the range of sine inverse? See our table, minus 90 to plus 90, minus 90 to plus 90. Is it clear? Minus 90 to plus 90, minus 90 to plus 90. So what is the value of 1 by 2 in sine? What is the value of in sine? At what angle is the 1 by 2 in sine? 30 degrees, right? Sine x is equal to sine 30 degrees. Now sine and sine both are cancelled. What is the x value is equal to 30 degrees. X means principal value. Therefore, principal value is 30 degrees in the pi by 6 radian. Now understand, Rani? Now understand? Now understand, Rani? Okay. Next, everyone, now it is clear now? Right. Now work out the fourth problem. Everyone write the fourth problem. What is the fourth problem? We should start. Everyone write down the fourth problem. Tan inverse of minus root 3. Start. Tan inverse of minus root 3. Now write down. Let tan inverse of minus root 3 is equal to x. Tan inverse mean A inverse is equal to 1 by A. Tan inverse mean 1 by tan minus root 3 is equal to x, minus root 3 is equal to tan x, minus root 3 is equal to tan x. Is it clear? At what angle in tan is the root 3? Tell me, Amma. At what angle? So tan. So at what angle of tan is the root 3? Tell me. At what angle of tan is the root 3? Tell me. 60 degrees. Very good. 60 degrees. First write down. We know that the range of tan inverse is open bracket minus 90 to plus 90. Open bracket minus 90 to plus 90. Either positive value or negative value. So in between minus 90 to plus 90 take. So I will write minus at what angle is the tan, at what angle is the root 3 mean tan 60 degree is equal to tan x. Tan 60 degrees is equal to tan x. Tan cancel means what is the remaining? Tell me, Amarani. Tan and tan is cancel mean. What is the remaining? Tell me. Tan cancel means what is the remaining is? What is the remaining is?